YouTube, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to do another unboxing video, and this is the Toreba UFO catcher unboxing video, September 2017 part 4 video. So as you can see, I already take off the tape, and let's get started and see what we got in this shipment. So and I have people asking me how long is it going to take to get your item shipped. So once every 7 days you're going to have a shipment option, a free shipment option. And then once the items is put into a shipment, it doesn't mean you're going to get a ship right away. It's going to take a few days to process. But when your status say it's shipped it, that means you're probably going to receive within 5 to 7 business days, which is not too bad. And they usually ship it with express mail, so it might be even faster than 5 days. So as you can see, I have got some of the items in here. Now the first item I want to show you guys is this Sanrio Tuxedo Sam tote bag. It's like these canvas tote bag, which is really nice. Quite heavyweight as well. And then another items I got is a Zoom tote bag, which is this one looks like the alien and the pixel and animator like from Toy Story. So if you like Toy Story theme, this will be a great bag. This has Zoom and Toy Story. Next item here is also another tote bag, which is Zoom, but more like a Disney princess kind of. So you have Alice, Snow White, Anna, and Elsa, which is nice sizes. These are really big size tote bags. Moving next is another tote bag, which is Zoom, and this is more like a Donald Duck's tote bag with all the other character on it. These are really large size tote bags, so it's pretty useful. Next item, I got a drawstring kind of bag with backpack. It's drawstring and it's Barbie. So this one is in like a satin, pink, and purple color. Next item is a canvas material. My little twin star makeup bag or pouches. These are canvas material. Next item, I got quite a lot of these little cell life figures, and I have one chips right here, as you guys can see. 2 chips, and here I got 2 Dale, 1 Daisy, 1 Donald Duck, actually, so I got a lot of these. And next item here, I got a Minion pop-up game. So basically you take turns, and if the Minion pops out, that means you lose the game. So a Minion pop-up game. And then I got this egg squishy with a toast, which is really cute, and it's actually really squishy as well. It gives me a texture of the real toast and egg, so that's really cute. And then actually I also have a other Dell cell life figure, so I got quite a lot of these because these are kind of easy to win. So you can actually get them like 1 or 2 try. And the next item I got here is a really small hamster banana mascara. Moving on next. I have got a squishy, and that is Mickey Mouse, and they look like a bread. Squishy, really cute. And also I got Cheshire the cat. They're really nice color and looking. And then I have got some Pokemon. These look like Pokemon Zoom Zoom. So I believe I have the whole set plus additional, an extra crocodile like this one. And another Piplup. I have two Piplups, as you guys can see. And two crocodile. And also something got stuck here. I have these Mickey lollipop keychains. So I got a blue one, and I also have the whole set as well. And there's another Pokemon Zoom Zoom kind of plushie. And then for these keychains, I have the blue one, I have a yellow one, and I have two pink ones, I believe. So I have a red one as well. And I also have a green one. So these like cute little lollipop keychains. And then next I have these Super Mario Kart, and this one is Peach. I got Mario, and I also have Luigi. So there's three of the little car. And then next here, I got a little ham from Toy Story, a little ham mascot. Next item, a big sizes keychain Pooh. Winnie the Pooh. And then here I also get Chips mascot. These are small little mascot plushie. Next item, I also have a Stitch mascot plushie as well. These are smaller than I expected. I thought they might be a little bit bigger. Next item, I got a really cute dog, which is from the Crayon Tran movie, and this is a dog with the white dog with the seal costume. Super adorable, guys. Next item, I got this giant squishy, and this is a toast with ice cream and strawberry on top of it. Super squishy, look at that. And then we're going to have to show you some big plushies. So first big plushie I want to show you is this Kirby 20th anniversary plushie. And the color is kind of like shiny pink color, which is really, really cute. And it's definitely a nice big size plushie as well. And then next item is a Slowpoke plushie. Oops. A Slowpoke plushie from Pokemon. Yes, super cute. Next item, I got a Doremi from big plushie from the Doraemon, and this has a real belt on it, so it's really cute. Next item is a other Donald Duck plushie, and this one is a duplicate, so I do have one previously, so I am selling any duplicate or any items that you're interested. Just feel free to contact me on the comments down below. And then this is a Squirtle plushie. Look like the Zoom Zoom one, but these are the big size one. Squirtle. And then also here is the other candy keychain. And then I also got a lying down Stitch keychain big plushies. This is really cute. I really like the Stitch. And this is a Love Light lying down plushie. Big little plushie. And then here, I got a figurine, Zoom figurine here, and I believe I got Mickey over here. Just a regular figurine. And then last figurine I got here is a Miku plush, not plushie, figurine that looks like that. Yes. And then last one in this box is my neighbor Totoro towel set. So as you can see, it's a really nice heavy towel set. So I got this blue one and the gray one. It comes with two. Nice towel set. So yeah, so that's everything, guys, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, leave a thumbs up, and if you have any questions, please feel free to contact me down below, and I'll try my best to answer your questions. And leave a thumbs up, guys, and thank you for watching. Bye.